Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for being here. Today I'm going to be updating another pair of jeans and making it into a skirt. I'm just going to do a slightly different method for these. I already marked how long I want them to be, so this is where I'm going to cut them off. It's just below the knee, and I'm going to cut this part off, and I'm going to do a much easier method. I'm going to sew this, but it doesn't have to be sewed. You can use fabric glue to attach this back together, but I am going to undo the seams here and going up this way, and then up a little bit on this back part here. And then just a quick and easy way to use the pieces from the bottom of the jeans to fill in the gap that's going to be in the middle on the front and the back. And I'll just show you how that goes. I'm not going to really talk through it, but I'll just show you the steps. And again, it is quite easy, and I'll show you how that goes next.